Have you ever tried to access your state portal account only to find it locked? It can be a frustrating experience, especially when you need to access important documents or services. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to fix a locked state portal account. Whether you're locked out due to too many failed login attempts, forgotten your password, or encountered a security issue, we've got you covered. Let's start by understanding why accounts get locked and what you can do right away to begin the recovery process. State portal accounts can become locked for several reasons. The most common cause is entering the wrong password multiple times, which triggers a security lockout. Other reasons include suspicious activity detected by the system, such as logging in from an unfamiliar device or location, or failing to complete security verification steps. Understanding the reason behind the lockout is the first step to resolving the issue. In the next scenes, we'll explore how to identify the cause and what actions you can take. If you find your account locked, don't panic. The first thing to do is to carefully read any error messages displayed on the login page. These messages often provide clues about why your account is locked and what you should do next. Sometimes, the portal will offer a direct link to reset your password or contact support. Take note of any codes or reference numbers provided, as these can help speed up the recovery process when you reach out for help. After a lockout, many state portals automatically send an email to the address associated with your account. This email may contain instructions for unlocking your account, a password reset link, or a security alert. Be sure to check your inbox, as well as your spam or junk folders, for any messages from the portal. Following the instructions in the email is often the quickest way to regain access to your account. If you receive a password reset link, click on it and follow the instructions provided. You'll typically be asked to enter your username or email address, answer security questions, and create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to protect your account from future lockouts. If you don't receive a reset link, you may need to request one directly from the portal's login page. When creating a new password, it's important to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessed words or personal information. A strong password not only helps you regain access, but also protects your account from unauthorized access in the future. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your credentials securely. Some state portals require you to answer security questions before allowing you to reset your password or unlock your account. Make sure you answer these questions exactly as you did when you set up your account. If you're unsure, try to recall the answers or check any notes you may have made. If you can't remember, you may need to contact support for further assistance. If your state portal uses two-factor authentication, 2FA, you may need to enter a code sent to your phone or email. Make sure you have access to the device or account where the code is sent. If you don't receive the code, check your spam folder or ensure your contact information is up to date. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. If you're unable to unlock your account using self-service options, it's time to contact the portal support team. Look for a support email address or phone number on the portal's website. When reaching out, provide as much information as possible, such as your username, the error message you received, and any reference numbers. This will help the support team resolve your issue more quickly. When you contact support, you may be asked to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions, providing a copy of your ID, or confirming recent account activity. These steps are in place to protect your personal information and ensure that only you can regain access to your account. Be prepared to provide any requested documentation promptly. After you've submitted your request and verified your identity, there may be a waiting period while the support team reviews your case. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days, depending on the portal's policies and the complexity of your issue. Be patient and monitor your email for updates from the support team. Avoid making repeated requests, as this can slow down the process. Once your account has been unlocked, you'll typically receive a confirmation email or notification from the portal. Follow any final instructions provided, such as setting a new password or reviewing your account settings. Make sure to log in and verify that everything is working correctly before closing the process. After regaining access, it's a good idea to review and update your account information. Make sure your email address, phone number, and security questions are current. This will make it easier to recover your account in the future and ensure you receive important notifications from the portal. To prevent future lockouts, consider enabling additional security features offered by your state portal. This might include setting up two-factor authentication, adding backup email addresses, or using security keys. These measures can help protect your account from unauthorized access and make recovery easier if you ever get locked out again. Be cautious of phishing emails or messages that claim to help you unlock your account. Always verify the sender's email address and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Official communications from your state portal will come from a trusted domain and will never ask for your password or sensitive information via email. Many users get locked out repeatedly due to common mistakes, such as forgetting passwords, using weak credentials, or failing to update contact information. To avoid these issues, use a password manager, keep your information up to date, and regularly review your account's security settings. Taking these simple steps can save you time and frustration in the future. Each state portal may have different policies regarding account lockouts. Some may automatically unlock your account after a certain period, while others require manual intervention. Familiarize yourself with your portal's specific policies by reviewing their help, or frequently asked questions sections. Knowing these details can help you act quickly if you ever get locked out. Some state portals offer mobile apps that can help you manage your account and recover access more easily. Download the official app from your device's app store and log in using your credentials. Mobile apps often provide push notifications and additional recovery options, making it easier to stay connected and secure. Ensure that your browser, operating system, and any related software are up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with state portals and may even trigger security lockouts. Regular updates help maintain security and ensure a smooth login experience. Sometimes, login problems are caused by corrupted browser cache or cookies. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies before attempting to log in again. This simple step can resolve many common issues and help you regain access to your account. If you're still having trouble, try accessing your account from a different device or internet connection. Sometimes, network issues or device-specific problems can prevent you from logging in. Switching devices can help you determine if the issue is with your account or your current setup. Occasionally, state portals undergo scheduled maintenance, which can temporarily lock users out. Check the portal's website or social media channels for announcements about maintenance windows. If maintenance is in progress, wait until it's complete before attempting to log in again. Some portals display specific error codes when your account is locked. These codes can help you and the support team diagnose the problem more quickly. Make a note of any error codes you see and include them in your communication with support. After regaining access, review your account activity for any unauthorized actions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to the portal's support team immediately. Monitoring your account regularly helps protect your personal information and prevents future lockouts. Most portals allow you to set up recovery options, such as backup email addresses or phone numbers. Take advantage of these features to make future account recovery easier. Update your recovery options regularly to ensure they remain accurate and accessible. Always use a secure internet connection when accessing your state portal account. Avoid logging in over public Wi-Fi networks, as they can expose your credentials to potential attackers. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN for added security. Always log out of your state portal account when you're finished, especially on shared or public devices. This simple habit can prevent unauthorized access and reduce the risk of your account being locked due to suspicious activity. Be aware of social engineering tactics, where attackers try to trick you into revealing your login information. Never share your password or security codes with anyone, even if they claim to be from the portal's support team. Official support will never ask for your password directly. In some cases, accounts may be suspended rather than locked. Suspension usually occurs due to policy violations or security concerns. If your account is suspended, follow the instructions provided by the portal to appeal or resolve the issue. Suspension processes may differ from standard lockout procedures. If you believe your account was locked due to a security breach or unauthorized access, report the incident to the portal's security team immediately. Provide as much detail as possible to help them investigate and secure your account. Prompt reporting can prevent further issues and protect your information. Some state portals allow multiple users to access a single account, such as for business or family purposes. If one user triggers a lockout, it can affect everyone. Establish clear guidelines for password sharing and account management to avoid accidental lockouts. If you share your account with others, make sure everyone understands the importance of secure login practices. Educate them about strong passwords, recognizing phishing attempts, and what to do if the account is locked. A well-informed group is less likely to encounter issues. Keep a record of the steps you took to recover your account, including any communication with support and changes made to your settings. This documentation can help you troubleshoot future issues and provide a reference if you need to contact support again. Familiarize yourself with the portal's terms of use and privacy policy. Understanding these documents can help you avoid actions that might lead to account lockouts or suspensions. If you have questions, reach out to the portal's support team for clarification. Many portals allow you to set up alerts for account activity, such as login attempts or password changes. Enable these alerts to stay informed about your account's security status and respond quickly to any suspicious activity. Password managers can help you create, store, and autofill strong passwords for your state portal and other accounts. Using a password manager reduces the risk of forgetting your credentials and getting locked out. Choose a reputable password manager and keep it updated for maximum security. Regularly back up any important data or documents stored in your state portal account. This ensures you won't lose access to critical information if you're ever locked out for an extended period. Use secure storage options and update your backups frequently. Be cautious of third-party services or individuals who claim they can unlock your account for a fee. These are often scams designed to steal your information or money. Always use official recovery channels provided by the state portal. State portals occasionally update their systems, which can change login procedures or security requirements. Stay informed about these updates by subscribing to portal newsletters or checking their website regularly. Adapting to changes quickly helps prevent lockouts. Maintain a record of your interactions with the portal support team, including case numbers and responses. This can help you track the progress of your recovery and provide context if you need to escalate the issue. Some portals automatically unlock accounts after a set period, such as 24 hours. If you're unable to unlock your account immediately, check if waiting is an option. Use this time to review your credentials and prepare for your next login attempt. To minimize the risk of future lockouts, make a habit of updating your passwords regularly, enabling security features, and keeping your contact information current. Stay vigilant for security alerts and respond promptly to any issues that arise. Let's recap the key steps to fix a locked state portal account. Identify the cause, follow on-screen instructions, check your email for reset links, use strong passwords, contact support if needed, and update your recovery options. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to handle account lockouts quickly and securely. Remember, staying proactive is the best way to prevent account lockouts. Regularly review your account settings, keep your credentials secure, and educate yourself about the latest security practices. With these habits, you'll enjoy smooth and secure access to your state portal whenever you need it. Thank you for watching this guide on fixing a locked state portal account. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can resolve lockouts efficiently and protect your account from future issues. Remember to stay vigilant, use strong security practices, and reach out to support whenever you need assistance. Safe browsing.